came across this little pile of sticks on the ground. It kind of looks interwoven. Not 100% sure. Next to this big tree, right along the trail here, going by the bike path. I was taking this back trail here through this little open area between the houses and the river, and there's this tall post here. What is that? Probably 13, 14 feet tall. Anyway, somebody took a Brillo pad and they wrapped it around here and they attached it onto here. It's woven all the way around. Kind of different. Here's something else I'd never seen. It sort of looks like a bunch of sticks were placed around here. There's an anthill, but there's also a hole. Looks like there was a hole. I'm thinking that was a prairie dog hole. I don't know. Just it looks like sticks adorning the whole outside of the area. It's right next to the tall post and little stick structure over here I found. Okay. Some metal right here. You know, I'm surprised I've never been in this little area. I always took the trail or went on the other side of the river right here. But I think I found a structure here. Looks obvious. I haven't checked it out here, but this is a cool little spot. People don't really go over here much at all because most of the park is on this side. And there's no parking spots to get here. You have to really anyway, I just kind of went out of my way to make sure I walked up into this area, but it's just right on the corner, on the cusp of the greenbelt area. But this looks like another little structure. Pretty good one. Just looking at what it's made of in terms of if there's anything else besides sticks incorporated into it. Looks like it's been here for a while. I don't see any fresh breaks. You know, these are kind of older. I don't know, maybe this is part of it too. Yeah, I definitely think this is part of it too. All the sticks placed up in here. A couple more things I'm going to point out. One is just this stick placement. Squatch did that, guys. That's so cool. So that, this, then look at this Y branch right here. Put up in between the trees. There's a lot of metal right here. There's this stuff. There's this old, whatever that is, cart. Something that had wheels. Oh, this is neat. So look, that was broken off and laid across like that. But look, there's a walking pole stuck in the ground. There's a jar. Some more metal. Old grill of sorts. Telescoping walking stick. That's just pretty cool. Okay, I'm just in the thick of it here with all of these cottonwood branches that have broken down off of the extension of this big tree. But all the bark is on all of these branches. Even this, it lost the outer layer, but it's still got that dark brown layer underneath. But this one is completely cleared of bark. And the end isn't. This is it, the end, right up to here. The bark starts and keeps going, but I think something peeled all the bark off of this, except for that little piece. Oops. But stood here and probably peeled all this right off of this guy. Cool. I'm trying to focus on this bird. I think it's a wood duck. Oh no, is that a cormorant or something? No, I don't know what that is. Maybe it is a wood duck. Looks different to me than most ducks I see down here. I'm not sure. Oh, he's cute. I don't know what he is. Sitting there like a turtle on a log. I don't want to startle him, but I am curious what his body looks like with his wings when he stands up, but probably just let him be. Okay, check this out. I just walked through here, but there was no path through the grass or anything. But when I got in here, this is all trampled down, and this is kind of worked down a little bit here. But this spot right here in particular is like really odd to me. And there's a shoe. There's one shoe right here. I think that is like a, who knows, is that a Bigfoot metaphor, analogy, like a little joke? I'm looking for Bigfoot. I was just thinking about the prints on the way in here. And there's a friggin' shoe sitting right there, but I don't know who's sitting here all the time, keeping the grass killed all the time. Who's whatever. Doesn't smell like piss. They're not peeing here. They're gonna be sitting here. This is the spot. There's some houses up here. There's like a really expensive house up here. There's another one over here with some stables. So there's horses over there. And then this spot is super odd with the shoe, and you've got like a bunch of logs stacked right here. Logs that are stacked, but I mean, whatever. But, you know, something's got to be here all the time, trampling shit down. There's some probably rabbit fur right there. There's a sticker to a piece of fruit. 5048, what is it, an apple? What is that? I don't know what that was. But the fur, more fur right here. I just decided I needed to check out every grove. This was like out of my way. I was going out of here, but then I'm like, no, I'm just gonna run up. Oh, here's something super cool. Look at this swing up here. Man, that was probably on that tree when that tree was 30 feet lower, you know, 20 feet lower. That is so cool. I wonder if Squatch could go up and swing on that thing. Okay. Satisfying my curiosity, but like I said, I've never been in here, so just checking. I don't know what's going on with this area for sure, but I think maybe they're in here. I don't know. It could be deer, you know what I mean? Could just be deer. But I know the squatch are in here. Even the little one in here. So just keep looking, you know, till you find something. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you later.